Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Once we return, we will share our experiences. That is what we normally do. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, your mind on the left hand. Lift your both the palms. Place it on your eyes. So when you place it on your eyes, and then open the eyes inside the palms. So again, instantly, without any effort, your mind perceives that you were so deep within the space. There, the knowledge is settled. Knowledge of what? You already know it. Bring the hands down. How are you, my friend Terry? Yeah, continue to do it. In the meantime, I'll have John to share his experience.
Yeah, hey Girish. Yeah, things are fine. I dozed off a little bit, I think, but otherwise fine.
Otherwise, fine.
Otherwise.
Yes, dozed off rather than distraction of the mind. So, John, understand distraction is one set of challenges that we have to face in meditation. And the second set of the problem is dozing off because we lost awareness. But it is better because you dozed off, so you are relaxed. So he is laughing. He said, that's good, he dozed off. I will do what I want to do. Very good. So, in the meantime, Sophie, yes, what is your experience?
I also dozed off.
No, at least you both tolerate me, my jokes. How are you, Sophie?
I also dozed off.
You also dozed off?
Yes.
Be careful. If you both doze off, what will happen to your home? That is our association. You will see a mind associates instantly. Buddha is saying this is the wheel of life. We have to get rid of it. We are independent.
Huh?
Yes, Terry.
I was able to tolerate the physical discomfort for almost the whole time. I
You almost slept all the time?
no, I almost succeeded.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
You
not the
almost succeeded, yes.
the I was able to tolerate the discomfort
That's good.
Most of it, but I didn't make it to 8:30.
It's okay. It's the seventh. Now you see that to everyone. First, you can say the first obstacle is distraction. Second is you relax, but you doze off. Right? Second distraction. So that we need to get rid of it in order to reach to the highest state. And the third, what Terry said just now,
Discomfort.
discomfort. So can I endure discomfort? The discomfort
Right.
in the body. She pointed out just that's a beautiful way she narrated her experience. The way you both narrated. So I endure. I don't get disturbed. I see there is a discomfort, then I see it at a distance, and then I lived into that experience. Gradually, it transforms my mind.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Beautiful. How are you, me?
I feel calm
Very good.
and steady. I have a feeling of steadiness.
That's good. Feeling of calm and steadiness is almost a success. And when we go to that state of the success, when we repeat it, it goes a long way in our life. Beautiful. How are you? Uh, Anne?
That's fine. Oh, do you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I'm fine. I was nervous because my computer didn't work. So that's why I was late. So anyway, I feel very fine. I feel very good now.
You feel very
I
good.
calmed down. Yeah.
You calm down?
Yes, that's right.
Will you fight with anyone today?
Anything, no, but anything that concerns my computer makes me nervous if it doesn't work. But
You see the
it
wheel
seems
of
to be
life,
working.
association with the computer.
You see what? I'm sorry.
Association with the computer
Nervous, that's right.
makes you nervous. So computer looks at you and ready to make you nervous.
Right. That's true.
What do you mean? That's not true.
And what I wonder why I went to the calendar and couldn't get in.
Oh, could not
Calendar
get
doesn't
in.
work to
Oh,
reach our meeting. So anyway,
but anyhow, you reached.
yes, finally.
You pick up this week, you start working your association with something outside, whether it is a person, whether it is a situation, whether it is a memory, whether it is a gadget, and you will see the mind says, I caught you in the law of karma.
Right.
Understand it in a very simple way. Because when you study, read read them in different on Google, that will make you crazy.
Okay.
So your cycle of the karma, as long as we are caught in the web of the cycle of the karma, it is bound to cause suffering, suffering, suffering.
Right.
We are independent. We are free from this web of wheel of karma. The second part we will take up next week. So that is all. Thank you very much for all your attending. Okay, thank you.